Hey guys, this video is about how we can use AutoCAD basically and also what AutoCAD is, how it works, and maybe more. And first of all, I hope you will use this program clearly and as you want after these videos. And I feel that I have to state I'm an amateur because I'm still in the learning process like most of you, and I plan to blend what I've learned and convey it to you in the future. So, without further ado, let's get started. AutoCAD is a program that we can draw anything, like plans of buildings or sections or everything about it. I mean, you can draw objects too, and animals, plants, humans, everything that you can create with lines. I use generally for plans and sections. It has a lot of commons, but we will learn the parts that work for us for now. After we can see in others, maybe. No need to hurry up. Firstly, we contour the opening screen. Let's look at the menus here. We can create a new drawing page with the plus sign here. When we create a new page, the above menu tools will become active. For now, we see them as ghosts, but the following menus are fully alive. If you have a drawing that you drew before and you say open here or search, we can see my drawings that are saved, and we're opening a drawing page if you're ready. And we can contour a sort of interface. We have a cursor that will come with us wherever we go. We are where the X and Y axis start, but we are not bound here. We can make our drawings wherever we want, here or there. The round direction compass here can rotate, as we can see, and show our drawings in 3D. So what does the tool menu here do? So if you don't have a mouse, you can manually navigate your page here. So if we click here, we will see a white page, and it's so. If you like here, you can stay here, or you can pass here. If you're the type who likes online notebooks, you can remove the lines, but I don't advise because guides will always show us the right way. There is a snap mode that works together with our guidelines. If we open it, they can hold hands, but if we close, they won't be able to meet. If you are a really dramatic person, you can activate this button. I'm not. By the way, we haven't got just mouse. Also, we have a soldiers at keyboard who make for us too. I'm talking about case. Anyway, we activate many menus by clicking, but what do we do if our mouse is attacked by a cat? That's when the soldiers will help us. For example, we just clicked on the snap mode and it worked, and we can perform the same function with F9 at the same time. There are many examples like this. We will see it together. This tool allows you to change to a right angle while drawing it if you are freelancing, or to free drawing if you are working at a right angle, and it works by F8 soldier. As this tool is round, we activate it to draw lines along the X and Y axis when we draw circles, like this. We drew a circle and we want to draw a line, but middle point disappear. And now we see it. This tool is for 3D. For now, I think I showed basic tools. I hope I was able to use an understandable language. I'm open to your comments and suggestions. See you for now. Treat yourself well. Bye.